welcome to our Animal Kingdom day one. We have just arrived, yeah, day one of our whole trip. We've just arrived and we are just about to go in.
Security.
Here we go. Security was okay, but James did get pulled aside. Bloody
don't know why.
Already.
Maybe I look dodgy.
in your tuk-tuk let's roll and matching bag. But we are now on our way to the actual park, so not too long.
Pick up our tickets.
Yeah, we've got to pick up our tickets. I've already got a magic band, but nothing's linked to it at the moment. So I'm going to try and see if they can do that for me. And then we're going to try and get a reservation time at
Pandora's Flight Passage.
Pandora's Flight Passage. Oh my god, look, there's a Kevin picture over there, James.
Oh no.
We'll go, oh my god.
Right,
Yes, see you in a bit. And that's it, we're all through. And James has got his card.
I've got Olaf.
Olaf. I actually got R2-D2.
Well, you got a magic band. Anyway,
Yeah, so I was a bit like, no! I mean, I don't mind, it's still cute, but... Oh my god, I want one.
I don't want one.
I want one. Absolutely getting that. Right, so we're all done. We've got a return time for Flight of Passage, so we've got about an hour. But within that hour, we've also got our Kali River Rapids, which we're going to go and do now. It looks like a really short wait at the moment. It's only 5 minutes anyway.
It's still bloody early.
Yeah.
It's going to be cold.
So we're going to go and do the River Rapids now, and then once we're done that, we'll head off, have a browse.
I'm looking for the animals, that's why I'm not focused. There's still animals along the pathways.
Oh my god, it's crazy though. Like, I can't even take it in. It's just incredible.
Oh, they're over there. Do you want to go interact with their man?
Oh my god, I can see Kevin. He's just...
I don't know, she wants to go this way. Mom! Mom! Rose, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
Look, the bird. I told you.
Here we go.
Go ahead and grab those selfies nice and quick. Kevin can be here for a very short amount of time. She can decide to walk away whenever she feels like it.
Kevin!
Oh, you've got her favorite thing. Herself.
I see a little Kevin over there.
That would be a lot easier than
Yeah, if we could carry her around, that would be so much easier.
it'd be easy to keep.
Correct.
Well, we've just met Kevin and she saw my bag. So now we are actually going to the River Rapids. But oh my god, she's so cute! I loved it.
That's one thing to take off your list.
Yep, one thing already.
Didn't even see the tortoise.
Just seen Russell and Doug.
Kevin.
Oh my god.
The bird search mission.
And here is Kevin.
I wish we had a couch like that for you.
She's decided to be a good example and take a stand. He's showing all the birds and animals.
And we can hear someone else coming. Who's it going to be, James? Way! That's so funny. Well, yeah, as you can see, we've actually left our camera back in the lockers because we didn't quite want to leave it. We don't know how wet we're going to get on this ride, so yeah, cameras for now are away and we're on the phone, so we'll try and record as much as we can. But yeah, definitely got a poncho on ready as I'm a bit scared. Oh, this is so cute, isn't it?
Big blue magpie. Poncho's on.
terrified. We are on the river rapids and I'm terrified. Let's pray we don't get wet. So before we get to Avatar, we've just been in Riverside Depot and James has chosen himself a magic band. What one have you chosen?
Stitch.
Of course. What else did you get? Look what James has found.
Shoulder.
So this one actually goes on James's shoulder and it's going to match him for the rest of the day. Oh, how cute. We're entering Pandora. I'm so excited. Also, I'll show you my new addition.
Maybe I'll send them all.
It's my outfit. A little baby tuck to match my shirt.
And his bag.
And my bag. We got a new edition of the little trio. But
Valley of Moara. Valley of Moara. Moana. It's the heart of Te Fiti. This scares me a bit. It looks like a bit like Stranger. Like an alien. Yeah. So we're going to where first?
we're Flight of Passage.
We definitely booked Flight of Passage, didn't we? I don't know. We just panicked. Flight of Passage in 4 minutes. Oh, I want the Wilderness Explorer guide. I'm gonna get one. I am gonna get one. Oh, wow.
Here come the whatever you call it. The rocks.
Look at it. Wow.
Wow. If I remember, the Flight of Passage queue is underneath all of that.
Really?
Yeah. Because when I first came, it had just opened and we had to queue all the way around outside of the actual Pandora part.
Kevin!
Kevin! I am honestly so excited for this ride, you don't even understand. Like, I think it's one of my favourite rides in Animal Kingdom. Possibly in Disney World, out of all of the parks. It's honestly insane.
Oh, it's over here.
Ah,
We're here.
it's insane. More photo pass opportunities there. Hiya.
Hello, go ahead and tap.
Thank you.
And that's all done. We are tapped in. And here they come. Oh my god. Here we go.
I don't know what the lightning lane queue's like, but the actual queue inside you go through and it's like awesome.
Oh my god.
Please enter all the way into the room.
We've just got off of our Banshee riding.
Flight of Passage. Oh my god, that was crazy. I actually was terrified. No, not terrified, but it felt real.
It was cool. I think you had a few technical difficulties with his classes, so it wasn't all like 3D and everything, but
yeah, it was still amazing.
I mean, I love it.
Yeah, we're going to try and do it again.
We will do it again.
I mean, we've got the river journey next as well.
I'm excited. I've never been on that one. Neither of you.
I'm hoping there's not a drop. Is there a drop?
Don't think so.
No. But yeah, so we're going to grab some food and then go back to the river journey.
Who is it?
Oh.
Mickey and Minnie! She had me say Minnie.
James, where are we?
Starbucks.
James has been waiting so long for this and he's finally ordered his first. What is it you've ordered?
Strawberry strawberry. That's why I never know how to say it.
We don't even know how to say it, but he gets it every time we come to America, so we'll show you when we've got it. And I got a ham and Swiss croissant.
Croissant.
Croissant. Well, here he is.
I'm happy now.
Lovely. Our first Starbucks trip is complete. Look at it. Even says Disney Parks. So cute. Just want to show my croissant. So I have got just a ham and Swiss croissant. It's quite hot. Ta-da! Oh my god. Very French. That's for you, Tara.
Where are we going? Really gonna go get it?
Okay. I thought you did. I didn't.
Here we go. Narvi River journey now.
Louis needs to tap in.
We are in the queue for Narvi River journey now. And then once we've done that, we will have our safari after, which is 1:30. But the queue is incredible. Like if you see behind us, and you can see Mum and Amy behind us, and Dave. Oh wow! Look, I'll show you. Wow, this is amazing. Do you like it, James? Yeah. James has never been on this ride either. So actually, none of us have been on this ride.
Well,
Oh my god.
Louis' fallen in love with the ride.
That was amazing.
So we've just come off the Narvi River journey, and to be fair, it was really cool. It was
so
giving like
much.
a 2022 It's a Small World of Pandora, but it was really cool.
It was
Like,
brilliant.
that technology of the Avatar is like insane. It looked real.
It was,
I don't get it.
actually, it was when you actually looked into it, it looked like it was looking in your eyes. It was a bit scary,
It was insane.
but it was amazing. So clever, so much going on, and yeah, I loved that. I'm impressed. So we've done It's Tough to Be a Bug, which was very funny. Well,
A lot of kids screaming. I just found that hilarious. They were like screaming as if their life was depending on it. It was really funny. But it was, I mean, it was quite scary if you don't like bugs. So
Yeah.
I kind of see where they're coming from.
and then we came out and I was thirsty and I saw something. I was like, oh my god, let's quick get a drink. I realised it was just like frozen drinks there. And
Which
we
way?
actually found some frozen lemonade and Coke, which James has got the Coke and I've got the lemonade. But it tastes fizzy like sherbet. It's amazing. It's really nice.
Very nice. That's Louis' new favourite drink, everyone.
Yeah, it's really
Give it
good.
a try. I want to try the blue raspberry one as
I
well.
haven't had a
so.
slush puppy in years. It's all the colourings, and this looks a bit more natural.
Minute Maid lemonade, perfect. We finally found them.
Oh my
We
god,
found a Mickey Mouse pretzel in Animal Kingdom.
I'm so excited.
We're going to give these a go, and then we're going to head over to Kilimanjaro Safari, which is just through the umbrellas there. And then hopefully we'll see some animals. I know it's probably not the best time of day to be doing the safari
But this is what
because
we've
it's
got.
midday, it's hot, but it was one of our pre-allocated times.
How did you finish this? I can't get to the bottom of it.
Slap it.
I'll be your guide on this
We're on the
2-week-long safari through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve.
We are
Keep in
on a
mind that this
safari.
is a real truck. I am really
Very
driving
rocky
it.
ride, but let's
And the
hope
roads
we
here
see some
can be
animals.
really bumpy, so we do that. They don't have any natural predators in the wild because they are gentle giants. They're not going to hurt anybody. Typically, nobody hurts them. However, their biggest threat is us humans because of poaching, especially for those rhino horns on top of their head. Over on that right side, we can also see bongos way up at the top of the hill.
Bing bong bongo.
Bongos are also known as the ghosts of the forest. That black and white bird. On their back actually turns pink, especially during their mating season. It looks like they're blushing sometimes. Right now, so it would just be the back of them. They kind of look like moving rocks. But the biggest reason for those stripes is because they don't want to be spotted. Hearing painted dogs, they kind of make that yipping noise, especially when they're playing.
See, miss, they're right back there. There's one more.
But these dogs are frightened, then that's called a tower of terror.
Look right there.
From the left here, it's probably a good time to tell you that giraffes' tongues can be up to 18 inches long. Their tongue actually has a mucus coating on it that helps to keep it protected from the sun as well. In all of Africa, they have some really bright blue and pink colors on their noses. Moving up towards a family group. Within the family group of elephants, they will operate as a matriarchy. So you'll typically see the mother or even the grandmother elephant be the one to lead this group. There are some pretty young flamingos in this group. They have gray and white feathers, and they're much smaller than the adult flamingos. When flamingos are born, they are born entirely gray, and over the course of about 18 months, they'll get to their full pink color. Now the greater cheetahs, they're lying down. Now cheetahs are really great hunters. They have excellent camouflage. Their top speed for a few hundred yards, so they will rely on ambushing their... You can also see an ostrich over on the right-hand side. Ostriches are the tallest bird, standing up to 6 feet tall at their shoulder. They can run up to 40 miles an hour.
Here we have a lion.
He does actually pose for paparazzi photos. So. Now rhinos can actually shape their horns by rubbing their horns against rocks or trees.
Looks like
I'm currently stopped for rhinos in the road near Magadi Glen. Way less space than other dairy livestock like cows do. They climbed up there.
Visitors, welcome to Asia. In case you couldn't tell, we're in Asia. We're just walking through.
We are trying to catch the Kite Tails before they stop, but we actually have no idea.
Who knows if we'll make it or not.
We will, but if not, we're back next week.
It says stop showing at 3:10. Does that mean that's the last show, or does that mean there's no more?
Yeah. What does that mean, Disney? Oh look! It's Russell and Doug.
Oh,
That's so cute.
little Asian statues.
I'm going to get pictures with them next time.
Well, we're coming from Africa because we've done the Kilimanjaro Safari.
That was good. It was good. We thought that because we were going at 1 in the afternoon that it might not be very active of the animals or whatever. We just didn't think we'd see many, and it was very hot. But we saw loads of giraffes, baby rhinos, which James knew about.
My favourite.
Oh, that's quite cute.
Oh, Baloo.
Thank you for joining us for Disney Kite Tails.
Yay, you have Mickey and Minnie on their flotilla. Well, yeah.
Tortilla chips. It's got pastel on.
Miko! Now we got Miko and Pokemon just coming back round saying hello to everyone. What's around the riverbank?
This is me. This was me last week.
Thank you for joining us for Disney Kite Tails. We hope you take this high-flying spirit of adventure.
So we're now going on the dinosaur ride, which you can see. I've never done this either, obviously, but James, have you done this before? No. James hasn't either. James did just go on Mount Everest? Everest. I didn't do it. It was too scary for me. But yeah, I'll check in with you in a bit. Well, oh my God, we're exiting Dino Land now, or Discovery Island.
No, we're going into Discovery Island.
Oh, we're going in. Well, we've exited the Dinosaur Land. What did you think of Dinosaur, James?
I mean, if you don't mind a bit of whiplash.
It was crazy. Oh, what have we got going on over here?
Having a party.
We're off the flight of passage again to go back on.
How we do, the lazy group. Viva Gaia's 3-man in session. Beautiful dances, beautiful families. Come on. Come on, let's take a walk. You never know, we're gonna see some animals. Hey, I see Kevin.
Kevin! Hey!
Bare necessities, simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I made a bare necessities on Mother Nature's recipes. Let's take a look. Bare necessities, simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife.
Oh, I love Kevin. He's so cute.
So here we are in Rainforest Café. We have arrived. We just managed to do Flight of Passage again, which was incredible. It was so much better than last time earlier this morning. I don't know why, I just wasn't as scary at all. And the water worked for me that time, so it was so much better.
Yeah, although it was delayed to start with.
Yeah, it's true. For the first bit, we
Stuck in the seat for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes just sat there, and we had a reservation here. So after me and James, that's why you've seen nothing, because we literally ran here all the way from Pandora. And Rainforest Café, if you know, you know, it's outside but inside, so we had to run all the way back to the main entrance and come in here, and I'm still a bit exhausted. We've ordered our stuff.
Challenge in the heat.
Yeah, it was a big challenge.
It's cute, isn't it?
It's so cute, and like, look at all the lights at the top.
It's very spacious.
I will show you our food once we get, because I've been awful. Did we show the pretzels earlier? I don't think we did.
Yeah, no,
we did. Okay, so food-wise, all we've done today is pretzels and obviously the croissant. So this is our actual meal for today, before we go in to see the Tree of Light show. I've ordered chicken strips. What have you ordered?
Mozzarella sticks and pasta.
Yeah, and I've got a chicken burger for the main. So we'll show you when it arrives.
I'm hungry,
Yeah.
so.
Food has arrived. This is the awesome appetizers. Oh, got some claps going on. I got a bit excited, so I have started, but this is the chicken fingers or chicken tenders. And James has also started. And this is the cheese sticks. Cheese mozzarella stick. So our mains have arrived. This is James's pasta. What's it called?
Rasta pasta.
Rasta pasta with broccoli. I don't think that would go well in inside out. And then you've got my chicken sandwich, which we think the bun is actually garlic bread or something. It's herby, so it's definitely like a crispy kind of grilled bread. But yeah, and then I got tortilla chips instead of potato chips, just because I can't eat chips. Is it good? Yeah.
Yummy. Is yours good?
Mine is good. Well, the park actually closes in 20 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back to the tree now, even though I know it's not fully dark here. I'm not sure it's going to get much darker any quicker.
It will. Now that the sun's gone down, it'll be dark quick.
But I don't know if it's going to all light up.
David Attenborough here.
Very much.
Pandora. Look at it. Wow.
The world of avatars.
Tell us about the world of Avatar, James.
I don't know. It's been 10 plus years since I've watched Avatar. They've got banshees.
Yeah, we know that after today. Wow. Wow. Well, we are nearly at the tree, which is glowing now. It's much darker. I mean, on the camera it looks lighter, but it is darker here now. You can see everyone's gathering around the tree to see any projections if they do them. I'm excited. So cute. And here we go.
Dude, I forgot. I'm like, where's my Mickey?
Wow. So we're still waiting. It is apparently closing in 1 minute, so it doesn't look like there's a light show tonight, which is a bit annoying. Looks cute, but we wanted to see all the fireflies. So Disney, don't know what's going on. Projection's broken.
but we might make a move if people seem to be leaving as well. But there seems to be quite a lot of people waiting, so not sure. Okay, so it's now 8:10, and we're thinking maybe it currently doesn't exist. Maybe. So we might make a move, as we do want to go to Target today, and we've got lots of shopping to do. So if you know if the Tree of Life Awakenings show is on, please tell us. We'll try again maybe next week. Maybe we should ask someone next week or look it up so that we can find out. We might have been standing here for absolutely nothing. So that's our day at Animal Kingdom done, and we will be back next week. So there will be another Animal Kingdom vlog coming, and hopefully we might see the Tree of Light Awakenings. But we're off to Target now, so see you soon in Target. And look where we are. We're in Target. We're so excited. We've come to the Rolling Oaks.
Oh my god, Minecraft.
Oh my god, they're terrifying. Come to the Rolling Oaks part. We're trying to find music. I reckon it's they're all quite set up, aren't they? Similar ways. So oh god. We've got Halloween stuff. Oh no, James. I'm excited. I'm gonna go. We're gonna pray, but yeah, we will show you what we find. Oh my god, James has already found some Sour Patch Kids in the trolley. We have found the Halloween candy, which is an exciting thing for us. Oh my god, I'm hoping they have the M&Ms because I really want the M&Ms, but I can't see them right now. The M&Ms. Yeah, I think they will have them somewhere. I saw them online, so I'm gonna look and pray. Oh, this is where they'd be. Where are they? Where are they? Oh my god, have they got them? Cookies and Scream, here we go, got them. Chocolate and white chocolate candies. That's brilliant. I'm getting these. Absolutely.
One's your name?
Cookies and Scream.
Just got back from Target, which was, I mean,
it was disappointing.
Louis disappointed because it didn't have the music and vinyls that he wanted, even though it said it was in online. But I feel like the Targets, they never have that many vinyls.
They don't. They're like, you go there and it's just all muddled up.
It's all old
never
ones.
What you think.
But we just want the exclusives. But anyway,
yeah.
I think we were successful with the snacks and sweets.
Oh my god.
So this is our collection. I mean, we have got one of the Mickey's Not So Scary, so we didn't go crazy with the sweets, but we kind of got so these we're excited to try because these are new and we haven't tried these before, and they're crunchy cookie.
Yes, they are crunchy cookie. God, don't show me like this.
He's excited cookie. Anyway.
I wanted to get them because basically we saw them first on the vlogs for the Halloween night.
That's the size that you get.
Yeah.
In the first trick or
treat
treat
like,
bag.
oh my god! So I think it's just gonna be like crispy M&Ms with a cookie flavour.
And then these are also Halloween Sour Patch Zombie Kids, which are raspberry and orange flavoured.
These are Halloween as well. These are M&Ms, but they're like chocolate cookies, almost like Oreos, I guess, but white and chocolate. So they've got white in the middle and chocolate on the outside.
Cookies and Scream.
Aww.
And then these are also like I mean, they're just normal flavour, but I think the colourings looks like black, orange and green for Halloween.
That's so cute.
Oh, and then the Reese's pumpkins, they're also Halloween. Other than that, we just... Oh, obviously I got some Crest toothpaste because, you know, we got some Doorables, which we'll open and show you guys what we got. And then you got a few other bits, didn't you?
I've got loads of cakes. These people are the same people that make Twinkies, but I think that the Ding Dongs and the cupcakes...
What's the cupcake?
They're basically the same, they're just different shapes.
I didn't even see you get them.
But they've got that like fake cream inside that you get inside Krispy Kremes, and I love that so much. And I'm so excited just to have Strawberry Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah, we both got those.
That's my honestly all-time favourite. I got a bottle of Gatorade because, you know... Oh, and I found an Adele exclusive CD Target one, which has 3 bonus tracks, which I'm excited about, you know? But yeah, I mean, that's haul 1. Maybe we'll go back to another one.
These are adorable. So, these are...
Series 7.
My packet, I'm not going to lie, is absolute rubbish. I don't like a single one of them. But James's packet is really
I got
good.
a good collection.
You did?
Oh, that's cool. I'm happy with that.
Yeah. Oh, well, that was adorable.
Maybe we'll do some more. It depends how much money we have left.
But I think that's everything for now, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean... Who did we get?
Cheshire Cat.
Oh, Charlotte's rare.
Is she?
And so is Syndrome. Oh, so is Anna.
So is Kevin.
God, we got a good rare. Oh, and Marshmallow's ultra rare. We done good.
Yeah, we have done well.
Like, a lot of ours were rare.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I'm happy with that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A bit of fun on our Disney trip. But we're off to bed now, I think. And we are back tomorrow for Magic Kingdom. So pray for us it doesn't rain.
Fingers crossed.
We'll see you soon. Bye.